today I'm doing an unboxing about some hair off Amazon Prime, and I'm going to be showing y'all how it looks and what it is. Okay, so I'm going to put my phone down. I'm going to pause it for a second so I can unbox it. Okay, so here's the box, and I bought this from Amazon Prime. So I will have a link to my store, my shop. If y'all want to go purchase the stuff that I brought, I will have the link off in the description so y'all can see where I got it. So the first thing I got was some virgin hair fertilizer, and I've been using, I'm gonna show you which one I've been using. It's the same exact thing, but it's off in a jar, and I actually like the jar better. Okay, so it looks like this. This is the one I'm using, and it's almost gone. And I done had like about, I done already ordered about like about 4 packages, and 2 come off in the package. So I seen this one, and it's the exact same thing. It's the exact same thing as the tube, but this is off in a jar, and this costs about 12 something for the jar. And I'm gonna be using this. This really makes my daughter's hair grow, and it makes my hair grow. And I'm gonna add little clippings of before and after with my daughters, since my daughter's been using these, both of my daughters. I'll put a clipping of their hair. Excuse me. I'll put a clipping of their hair before and after we've been using this. And then the next thing I brought was some hair. So I'm just going to move that box out the way. It came off in a little pink bag. Just bear with me. Let me tear it open. Okay, so I got the color gray. It was like a, the color is gray and black. It's like silver and black. That's what I think it was. But I dropped the description in the bottom. And it came with 5 packages of hair. Came with 5 packages of hair. And then it came with another crochet needle and some little beads to decorate your hair. And then it also have their website on here. It says what app, and then the number, and then where you can purchase this hair at. But I purchased it off of Amazon.com. And like I said, I got an Amazon shop. So everything that I purchase, y'all will be able to purchase from my shop. So yeah, this is how the hair look. I like it. I like the hair. Look at that. It's nice. I just want to try something different because I normally wear pink. I done tried pink before. I tried blue. I tried the green color. Of course I did black. I did red. I did a light purple. So I just want to do something different, so I picked this color. And I will be making a video on this hair. And I will be using this off in my hair when I get ready to do my hair. And then this is also good for like when you do have braids off in your hair. You can just put it off in your hair, and it keeps your hair moisturized. And so when you take it down, it's not as tangled as it normally would be. So I like using it for that too. And plus, it's a plus side. While you got your hair off in braids, it also continue to make your hair grow. So if y'all like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe at the bottom. I'm just going to open this and see if it looks like the tube one. If it's the same color. I want to know. Hold on. Excuse me. It's kind of cold here. Oh yes, it's exactly the same thing. It looks exactly the same. Let's see. Squeeze it a little. Yeah, it's exactly the same colors. It smells the same to me. Like when you wash your hair, to me, I get a better reaction. Like after I finish washing my hair and condition it, I get a better reaction out of this because it have peppermint off in it, and it makes your hair tingle, and it makes my hair feel good. You know, I like the way it feel. And then like if you just put a little on your edges and stuff. Like my edges was I didn't have that much edges, but now I have a lot of edges because I've been using this, and I've been using this for like a year now. I've been using this stuff, and I love the way it makes my hair feel. I love the way it keeps my hair moisturized, and I love the way it's making my hair grow, me and my daughters. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely leave this off in the subscription so y'all can find it. And that's it. Bye.